There is no God. There can be no God. It's ridiculous to think in terms of superior being and inferior being, maybe, because we who don't even exist, we arrange our lives with more order and harmony than God ever arranged the earth. Measure, plot, we create wonderful music. We are the architects of our own existence. What a lunatic concept to bow down before a God who slaughters millions of innocent children, who slowly and agonizingly starves them to death, beats them, tortures them, rejects them. What folly to even think that we should not insult such a God. Damn him. Think him out of existence. It is our duty to think God out of existence. It is our duty to insult him. Fuck you, God. Strike me down if you dare, you tyrant. You non-existent fraud. It is the duty of all human beings to think God out of existence. Then we have a future. Because then, and only then, will we take full responsibility for who we are.
A pastor tased at church after firing his minister of music.
Yeah, investigators say a fight broke out right after services, and in the middle of it all, a church deacon pulled a knife and stabbed the mother of the minister of music. It all went down at the New Welcome Baptist Church in St. Elmo. Tonight, Local 15 News talked exclusively with a woman who had to get 19 stitches after that brawl.
I said, oh my God, he done cut me.
Agolia Moore says her house of worship quickly turned into a house of horrors Sunday night when a bloody brawl broke out in a back room of her church. She says church leaders ganged up and fired her son Simone, who had been serving as the music minister.
They owed him. He asked them for his money. And that was the big thing right there.
Investigators say Deacon Harvey Hunt whipped out a knife and started slashing people.
He done just like this here.
You weren't attacking him?
No, I didn't do anything to him.
He just swung.
When I told him what he did to my son, he just came at me, deliberately cut me.
19 stitches and a surgery later, Agolia says she wants her side of the story told. She says while Simone did tase Pastor Darrell Riley, she says it was the pastor and other church leaders who started the fight.
He had got cut before anything started.
Agolia says Simone and Riley had not been getting along for some time before the melee ensued.
Last Sunday, Simone didn't take the Lord's Supper from him. And he was hot about that. Well, you can't make nobody take no Lord's Supper, communion, if they don't want to take it. Everything Simone do at that church, Reverend Riley didn't like it.
Agolia says she no longer feels welcome at the New Welcome Baptist Church. Sunday service was her last at that house of worship.
I'd never go back there again. Never. Probably won't even go to St. Elmo unless my home.
It sounded like a normal Sunday service at Greater New Zion Baptist Church in Fletcher, but the Reverend LaVanya Ray was not here. Church officials removed him from the pulpit. The churchgoers are divided with accusations coming from both sides. There was to be a vote today. Should Pastor Ray be reinstated?
This is our family, and we're here for our church. And if our minister step up here at this moment, we will escort him through that door.
We feel that he is unable to fulfill the requirements that we need for this church.
Y'all, we need to come as a church. This is wrong.
Henderson County Sheriff's deputies who'd been standing by in case of trouble rushed to that door, trying to stop the pushing and shoving that started over the vote. People were knocked to the ground and stepped on. Then the violence moved to the parking lot. At the height of the brawl, more than 20 sheriff's deputies and Fletcher police had responded to the scene. Breaking up so much fighting.
These people are not of God if you come in here to fight. Don't you understand? This is God's house. And they don't understand. This is God's house, and the violence to go on in God's house is so wrong. It's so wrong.
Round one, fight.
Hypocrite, no, he ain't got no Bible. This hypocrite knows, all right, this hypocrite knows that I got the Bible to defeat what he said about women. Play the tape. Take a seat. Play the tape. Take a seat. All right, Vegas, take your seat. He is lying. Sit him down. He is a liar. Sit him down. Deceiver. Sit him down. Play the tape. Sit him down. Play the tape. Play the tape. I'm already here. Sit him. I'm already here. Brother Mike. I'm already here. Call the police if you gotta move me. Sit him down. Play the tape. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we come to hear Bible. I don't want your mouth. I want Bible. He got over social media, all that bad mouth. Now, all of a sudden, he needs to hear the tape. Let's deal with Bible. In the beginning was the Word. Everybody be quiet.
Round two, fight.
To my viewers, this is the same Mr. Vegas that got all the mouth. All right, security, usher him out. Security, usher him out. Usher him out. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out. You are not a funny. Usher him out. Take his microphone and 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 usher him out. Take his microphone. Just a minute. Just a minute. Take his microphone. Usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out. Take his microphone. Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out. Usher him out.
Finish him.
It ain't nobody, just a minute, nobody is coming in First Church and think you're going to take over First Church. Not here. Not here.
Fatality.
It all started with songs of praise and worship. Members enjoyed the peaceful and spiritual rendition of some African gospel songs by the choir. As the atmosphere appeared charged, not even those gathered in church were ready for what was about to happen. We began to notice what appeared very much like an uneasy calm via the obvious body language of some of the members. Like it's not common to see a member leave his seat and sit on a table on the altar. Then it was time for hell to be let loose as the pastor in charge walked in and sat quietly in his usual position. Then, like a grizzly bear out of a trap, pandemonium took over the house of worship.